Mountaineer. 79, Kyle Ball from St. Cloud. 17H, Gray Hitch from Hayfield. Sponsored by Watkins Recycling. 78, that is Zach Barca from Wilmer. Sponsored by Bredson Snow and Stuff. 142, Lance Christie from Litchfield and a 99 Ford Ranger. 2B1, Jeff Aders from Atwater and an 82 Ranger. 17 of Austin Eliason from Pennick and an 01 Chevy Astrovan. Sponsored by Eliason Enterprises, 3 Service. 55X, Bryson Carl from Howard Lake and an Explorer. 51, Drew Carl from Waverly and a Chevy Astrovan. Sponsored by KBF. 3, 2, 1, let's go! Looks like 2B1 has pulled their stick. See him jumping out of the car there. 3, 2, 1, let him go. Red flag. So in red flag, everybody. Hold up. Red flag. Hold up, everybody. In our pit meeting, we discussed pushing people onto walls, that we shouldn't be doing it. That was discussed. We are reminding one of our drivers about doing that. 3, 2, 1, go. Green flag. out. Please pull your stick. That leads us down to 5 vehicles. 55X, please pull your stick. If you can hear me, 55X, please pull your stick. Red flag. Hold up, we're going to check on number 78 here. Green flag, go, go, go. We still got 5 vehicles with sticks up. 17C, you have timed out. 17C, you have timed out. That leads us down to 4 vehicles still going with sticks up. Moving. Got the 51 and 78 hung up here. The 142. There, they break free. You timed out. 78. 79, excuse me. 79, you timed out. We're down to 3. You timed out. 78, you timed out. Thank you. We're down to 2. Has timed out. So we are going to call it. He was moving around, but it's based off contact, not movement. So 4th place is going to go to number 79, Kyle Ball. 3rd place, number 78, Zach Barca. 2nd place, number 142, Lance Christie. Your 1st place and Mad Dog winner, number 51, Drew Carls.